This is Akash, and today in this video we are talking about mental health. We heard a lot about mental health in the recent days, right? From social media, in the newspapers, in our social circles, and I think many of us have been realizing that mental health is very important and we need to know a little more about it. So today we're going to start with the basic. What exactly is mental health? Here's a thought. While we're growing up, we learn a few habits like exercising, eating well, sleeping well, brushing our teeth, right? And we continue doing these activities every day without much thought given, right? Well, similarly, as these activities are aimed at nurturing our body, there are some habits and some needs which are required for our mind to be nurtured as well. This is the concept of mental health, to take care of our mind. Similar to our body, our mind also needs nutrition, and these nutritions are known as psychological needs. What are these psychological needs? Some of our psychological needs are like compassion, empathy, peace, care, affiliation, recognition, self esteem, achievement, many more. Well, just like our body, our mind also has limitations and vulnerabilities. Inferiority, sadness, guilt, shame, these are all part of human life that we overcome by creating a rich understanding of ourselves, our world, and our experiences. According to WHO, mental health is not synonymous to mental illness. Mental health is the ability to cope, to be mentally resourceful in order to go about our daily lives. We all create our own lives. We choose our work, we choose our education, we choose our partner, our family, our place to live, and we want to enjoy it, right? So, in order to do that, we need some mental resources, and mental health is about building and taking care of those mental resources. Mental health is a journey, it's a process, and in this journey, we build social support, emotional support, boundaries, and sometimes we visit our fears to give them a rest. Mental health is based on the understanding that every individual is unique. Every individual has his or her own experiences and own way of living life.